In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace color in GIMP. By the end, you'll be able to swap any unwanted color in an image for a new one, quickly and cleanly using a built-in tool that gives you precise control. First, open your image. Go to File, then Open, and choose the file you want to edit. Once it loads, we'll move straight into the color replacement process. Head up to the top menu and choose Colors, then Map, and then Color Exchange. This opens the Color Exchange dialog, which is where all the action happens. If you see a preview option, make sure it's enabled so you can watch changes update live on your canvas. Now it's time to tell GIMP which color you want to replace. Click from Color. Use the color picker and click directly on the area of your image that contains the color you want to change. If that color appears in slightly different shades across the image, try clicking on a representative spot, something in the middle of the range, so the tool has a good reference. You can always refine what gets targeted in a moment. Next, choose the color you want to swap in. Click to Color. Pick your new color from the selector. As you choose, think about how bright or saturated the result should be. A very bright replacement can look flat on a shaded surface, while a slightly darker tone often blends more naturally. You can fine-tune the hue, saturation, and value until it matches the look you're going for. If the change doesn't catch all the areas you expected, or if it spills into places it shouldn't, adjust the thresholds. The red, green, and blue threshold sliders control how tolerant the replacement is to similar colors. Increasing these values tells GIMP to include colors that are close to your chosen one, which helps cover subtle variations or anti-aliased edges. Move them gradually and watch the preview as you go. If you see neighboring colors start to shift unintentionally, pull the sliders back until only the intended areas are affected. The goal is to balance coverage with clean edges. When you're satisfied with the preview, apply the change by clicking OK. Your selected color is now replaced across the image. To save your result, go to File, choose Export As, pick your destination and file type, and click Save. Export As is the right choice for creating a shareable PNG or JPEG while keeping your edits baked in. And that's it, an efficient, controlled color replacement in GIMP from start to finish.